Hello, this is Gwen. The purpose of this screencast is to show you how to access the responses that people have filled out for your Google form. So when you're in Google Drive and you can see the Google form that you have created, you have a couple options for getting to see where the responses go. In the new Google Forms, you can see here we're on the questions page, but if you switch over to responses, you can see the people who have completed the Google form so far, and it even gives you data, which is super helpful, especially when they put it right into a graph of who will bring what item. So it's easy just to toggle between questions and responses. If you want to stop accepting responses and you want to turn off the Google form, it's a toggle on or off here if you want to use it. And another thing, if you want to see it in the form of a spreadsheet, if you've used Google Forms in the past, that's how it's traditionally been. If you click this icon, it has this spreadsheet here. It says Create Spreadsheet. If you go ahead and click on that, it's going to say, do you want me to create a new spreadsheet? And it gives it the same name as the Google form, but it just has responses in parentheses, or you can add it to an existing one. I'm going to go ahead and leave it here with create a new spreadsheet and leave it that name and hit create. And it says linking to spreadsheet. And then this is how it traditionally has been in Google Forms, where you'll see here the timestamp, the name, whether or not they plan on joining at the potluck in this case, and what items they're going to bring. If you're in this view, it's super easy to sort the data, just like you're used to doing in, Excel or something like that if you wanted to. For example, maybe you wanted to sort it by name or something like that. Another thing that you can do, if you like those graphs when you're looking at this spreadsheet, you'll get into this later in the module, but you can do tools and then show summary of responses, and then that will allow you also to see those same graphs that you saw. And like most things with Google Drive, it just opens in a new tab. So again, that was tools and then, form, and then show summary of responses. So there's two ways. The newest way that they're showing is responses, and it's just right in here, which is nice and handy. But if you like the spreadsheet, remember, just click the spreadsheet and it will take you there and you can analyze it just like you might have done in the past.